Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Upsc timetable. Creating an effective study plan is crucial for success in the Upsc examination. First, thoroughly understand the vast syllabus and previous year's question patterns. Next, honestly assess your current knowledge across all subjects to pinpoint areas needing more attention. This foundational step ensures your timetable is tailored to your unique learning needs, setting a strong base for your preparation journey. Remember, a well-structured plan is your roadmap to achieving your goals. Structuring your daily study is key to consistent progress. Aim for 3 to 4 focused study blocks, each lasting 2 to 3 hours, to maximize concentration. Integrate short, refreshing breaks of 10 to 15 minutes between these sessions to prevent burnout and maintain mental clarity. Always dedicate one block specifically to current affairs and newspaper analysis, as this is vital for the examination. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. It is essential for memory consolidation and overall well-being. Effective subject allocation and consistent revision are paramount. Dedicate more study hours to subjects you find challenging or those carrying significant weight in the examination. Crucially, integrate daily revision of previously covered topics to reinforce learning and prevent forgetting. Regular practice of answer writing and taking mock tests, perhaps 3 times a week, is indispensable for improving speed and accuracy. Continuously review your progress weekly, and be prepared to adjust your timetable to optimize your preparation. While structure is important, a degree of flexibility in your timetable is vital to handle unexpected situations without derailing your entire plan. The true power lies in consistency. Strive to adhere to your routine daily, even on weekends, to build momentum. Remember to stay well hydrated and include some light physical activity, like a 30-minute walk, to keep your mind fresh. Trust your well-thought-out process, remain positive, and believe in your ability to succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.